Welcome to a vibrant journey through emotions with EmooMatch, our innovative memory game that's as colorful as it is educational. Each hue and shade in the game is carefully chosen to reflect a tapestry of emotions, helping players connect colors to feelings. As we aim to touch hearts globally, multi-language support is being woven into the very fabric of the game, inviting players from all corners of the world to join in the fun. Currently, EmooMatch offers 2 engaging modes, each featuring 3 levels of complexity. But that's just the beginning. We're crafting new levels and challenges to test your memory and emotional recognition further. Imagine a game where each flip of a card brings a new layer of interaction, from auditory phrases that echo each emotion to a symphony of sounds enhancing your experience. Your support can help us enrich EmooMatch with these features and much more. Whether through financial contributions or by sharing our project with others, you play a crucial role in this adventure. We're excited for you to be part of EmooMatch's journey, because every memory made in our game is a step towards greater emotional understanding for everyone. Contribute to EmooMatch today, and let's create a world of understanding, one match at a time.